All right, Coach, first of all, congratulations on advancing to the finals of the 2024-25 Jamaica Premier League. Can you take us through the game?
It was a tough one. I think the first 15 minutes of the game we didn't settle. But as soon as we settled and get in the game, I think we took control of the game. The second half, I think we were too deep back in the game. We allow Montego Bay United to come back in the game, and when Montego Bay come back in the game, then all hell broke loose. But again, we fight, we stick together as a team, and come out and get the result that we needed.
Still a lot of dominance from the Mount Pleasant team on the Montego Bay team. It wasn't a comfortable game as you mentioned, but you still get the result. What is the confidence like in the camp going to the final now?
No, it wasn't a comfortable game this afternoon, because again, we could have put away the game long before. We get a few clear-cut chances, could have put away the game, but once again you allow the opponent to score, then again they hop and come at us. But I think the confidence is always there. We've been working over the past couple of months, for this minute, and now it's here. So the confidence is high. Well, again, we know what Franco have to offer, and that is something that we talk about in our team meetings. We can win this game from our white players, but as I said before, that's young Franco. He's always going to go at people.
On the other side, Devontae Campbell, hearing that he has an injury. Talk us through why you starting over Daniel Green with a 12-goal attacker.
Well, again, you look on what you want to achieve out of the game. So you look on the personnel, what you want, and we see it fit for a Devontae Campbell to get the nod over Daniel Green.
Coach, thanks again. Continue to put the good work.
All right. Yeah, man.
Thank you, Coach.